So my question is, you have a point which I can call P1, and I ask you the question, how many lines can I draw through P1? So I wrote down the question so that you can read it and answer me. So if you don't know the answer, you just say you don't know, or if you know, just say the answer.
So I don't know.
You don't know, but can you just put a dot on your paper and try to draw lines passing through that point?
The one.
You can draw one.
Sir, infinite.
Okay, I drew one.
Sir, infinite.
How about this line?
Sir, infinite.
Somebody is shouting in
Yeah.
Infinite.
Okay.
Infinite.
Sir, I can hear you. Would you please stop repeating yourself like a parrot? So, Naisha, do you get the idea?
Yeah.
So it's like you can draw as many lines theoretically. I mean, if I do it on this whiteboard, then the whole board will become black if I keep doing it. But theoretically, it is possible for us to draw as many number of straight lines as possible that passes through that point P1. Okay, this line doesn't count because it was done too casually. It did not pass through that point. So that is one thing. Okay, just a moment. Let me finish this particular point with Naisha. Now, if instead of 1 point, if I have 2 points, say P1, okay, I already used up P1. So let me say P2 and P3. And I ask you the same question. How many lines can you draw through P1? Sorry, through, now I have to change the question. P2 and P3. So how many lines is possible, Naisha?
So one. So one.
Yeah, I heard you, but I'm waiting for Naisha to ask because she's the one who raised the question.
So like through both of them or single?
Through both of them.
So one.
Only one, right? So if you draw a line like that, so it touches both those points, passes through both those points, then there is only one line possible because there is no other line that you can draw which will connect both these points. Okay, the line which goes any other way will miss the second point. Okay, so this is amazing if you think about it. With only 1 point, you can draw nearly infinite, not nearly, actually. Theoretically, you can draw finite number of lines. But if from 1 point it goes to 2 points, then there is only one line possible. Okay, so this is a very interesting property that is there in geometry about points. Okay, so then now that you understand this, we can say that point P2 and P3 are collinear. That means they lie on the same line. Do you get the idea about collinear? So now we can say P2 and P3 are collinear.
Because they lie in the same line.
Sorry?
It's because this lie in the same line.
Yeah, correct. So if you were to put 3 such points, and I'm going to put one over here, okay, and I call this A, B and C. So now I can ask you the question, out of these 3 points A, B and C, between those 3 points A, B and C, can all three be collinear?
No.
That's the point. Now you got the idea of collinearity.
So it has to be a straight line.
Yeah, line means it has to be a straight line. Yeah, otherwise it becomes a curve. Okay, so linearity means straight line. So then it is only possible for any 2 points to be collinear. I can make AB collinear, or I can make BC collinear, or I can make AC collinear. I can't do it for all three. Got it?